Sunfish HR Service has the full-time equivalent setting, which is used by the authorized user as a measurement unit, presenting the man-days calculation. In addition, full-time equivalent unit is used to map the calculation of staffs in need towards the available actual staff. This video will show you how to configure the full-time equivalent setting. First, go to Setting, Time Attendance Setting and choose Full-time Equivalent Setting. Afterwards, you will see three parts of full-time equivalent setting, which are standard productive hours, overtime and calculate productive hours. Let's begin with the first part. Fill the standard productive hours in either weekly, monthly or yearly. Next, configure whether the calculation for FTE total will be included in employee's overtime. Select yes if the employee's overtime is included in the calculation. Otherwise, select no. Then, fill the last part. Choose the method for the calculation of productive hours. If you choose standard productive hours, it means that the total of employees' working hours is based on the standard working hours. For instance, if the standard working hours is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the break time between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., then the calculation will be based on the working hours. Since the break time takes 1 hour, therefore, the total working hours is 8 hours. Second, if you choose actual work hours, then it will calculate the total working hours of an employee from the start until the end time. If the standard working hours is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the break time between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., then the calculation will be based on the actual working hours. Therefore, when the employee's actual start time is 10 minutes to 8 a.m. and the actual end time is 10 minutes past 5 p.m., it means that the total working hours is 8 hours 20 minutes. The third option is to set the calculation of employees' total working hours by taking the maximum hour between the shift start time and the employee's actual start time. Also, added with the minimum hour of end time between shift end time and employee's actual end time. For example, if the regular shift starts from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with a break time between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m., along with the actual working hours from 10 minutes past 8 a.m. to 20 minutes past 5 p.m., then, the calculation takes only the maximum start time, which is 5 minutes past 8 a.m. and the minimum end time, which is 5 p.m. Then, select the attendance status. Afterwards, input the percentage of each attendance status productive hours. The percentage will be used as a multiplier in the calculation of employees' working hours total. If no attendance status is configured in the percentage of productive hours, then the percentage is considered as 1. You can click this icon to delete the selected attendance status, or click this icon to add more rows. When done, click Submit to save the configuration. Finally, you will be able to configure the full-time equivalent setting.